Hi, I'm at Fiskimarkaðurinn, the fish market, which is actually a really fine, good restaurant in downtown Reykjavik, and it has a really great cocktail menu. So I'm gonna go check out what's up there, and I think the girls are up there, so I'm gonna go look what they're doing.
Here's David, bartender here, and he's gonna make us some fabulous cocktails.
Right.
So, David, what are you gonna make for us?
I'm gonna make the volcano.
Volcano, excellent! I can see it has some strawberries and
Raspberries.
yeah, excellent, and blueberries too.
Exactly.
Yummy! Looks really good.
Okay.
Funny
I'm gonna
sounds.
use absolute vodka.
Okay, absolute vodka in there. Excellent. It's a single.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Then Mickey fins.
Okay. Great. Really looking forward to taste this.
Okay. I'm gonna use passion puree now.
Okay. Excellent. And then some pineapple juice.
Exactly.
Excellent.
It looks really good.
Yeah, it looks really nice and fruity.
Yeah.
Also with this, strawberries and blueberries.
Then I'm gonna use a little bit of vanilla liqueur.
Okay. You told me the cocktail is called volcano.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's very great now for
And
a
then
cocktail in
touch of
Iceland.
grenadine. Here you are.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Tastes really, really good. Cheers.